And one of your role is to learn how to use fear as a recruiting tool. It has been proven over and over again that people don't move so much based on what they stand to gain. They move more readily, more speedily, more quickly because of what they stand to lose. This is part of what they call the FOMO, F-O-M-O, the FOMO factor, the fear of missing out. And one of your role is to learn how to use fear as a recruiting tool. How? I won't go into greater details in this, but just to give an idea, start by asking people what they fear the most. And then use those same fears to recruit them in your business. I already gave some examples earlier. And that is why fear is not your enemy. Learn to let fear become your ally, your friend, your sidekick, your partner in success. See, fear can become your ultimate secret weapon.